How to create Crunchyroll account. Good day, all my anime people out there wanting to create an Crunchyroll account. I'm going to take you through the very simple step-by-step guide. So the first thing you want to do is go down to your Play Store or your App Store and download the app. And this is the page that you will be met with. Now you can see you can explore a free trial. You can now log in if you have an existing account. And if you did, you wouldn't be here. So right at the bottom, there is a create account button. We're going to tap on that create account button. And right from here, you can see you can enter your email address as well as your password. And then you have the option to opt in for the latest Crunchyroll info, offers, and news. So you can check that if you would like to get all of that information to your email address. Now, as you can see, you can tap the eyeball icon on the right hand side of your password just to see your password, to make it visible, and just double check that you've keyed it incorrectly. You're going to go ahead now and tap on create account. Now basically what will happen is you will get an email from Crunchyroll to the email address that you just used, and you will have to verify your account. So they're offering a 14-day free trial, and right now we're going to just say skip for now. You will now be able to choose whether you want notifications or not. And over here, you can see that you are in Crunchyroll. Now, don't forget that one step of going into your email address and tapping on that verify account. And that means that your account will be 100% verified. If you want to know more cool tips and tricks about mobile software, go ahead, click on this video, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers, my anime peeps.